Hey everybody, it's Kimberly, also known as Exemptions, and as you file your tax return this year, there are going to be some changes that you need to be aware of. The first thing when it comes to itemizing, you may not have a need to itemize anymore. Why? Because the standard deduction has increased. For a single person, it's now $12,000. For head of household, $18,000, and for a married filing joint couple, $24,000. The second thing, the child tax credit has now increased to $2,000. This is for households who have children up to the age of 17 years old. They're able to take it as a tax credit on the tax return. The third thing you want to be aware of when it comes to personal exemptions, this is now a thing of the past. In the past, you were able to get $4,050 per person within your household. That's no longer going to be the case with exemptions now going away. The fourth thing you want to keep in mind when you file your tax return, if you are a small business owner, you may qualify for the qualified business income deduction. This would allow small business owners to get a deduction up to 20% on the tax return. There are a couple of different more rules, so definitely talk to your tax professional. And then the last thing, I think another big change rather that you'll see on a tax return when it comes to miscellaneous deductions. In the past, if you work for an employer and you incurred expenses such as cell phone, parking, uniforms, whatever the case may be, you were able to take it as a deduction. Now this is going to be a thing of the past, only unless if you're a small business owner, you should be able to take those expenses. But if you're working for someone and you're not reimbursed, you will no longer be able to take it on a tax return. For more information, definitely check out my website at kimberly.com.